And welcome to Active Living Television. If this is your first time joining us, we're so glad that you have joined us. And be sure and tell your friends, because we have over 10,000 products of quality, the best prices you're going to find anywhere. And these are products you're not going to see on any other home shopping channel. Believe me, you're not going to see them. And the best quality you've ever seen in your life?
That's right, Bob. It's great quality and it's also convenient. You can just consider us your senior superstore, but we have products really for anyone of any age. And as Bob said, 10,000 products. So check us out right now or anytime at ALTV1022.
We're the new exciting channel, and we're glad you're with us. Welcome back to Active Living Television. As I've told you so many times before, we go out, we find the best. They bring in the best products. And we have a doctor with us today who is Stanford trained. She's a dermatologist and she has skincare products that are going to blow you away. So welcome. Nice to have you here.
Hi, Bob.
Hi.
Hello. We're excited to go over. You know, I tell people, it just took 2 years to put together what I believe has the most active and potent ingredients that I would want on my skin and I would want on my patient's skin.
Yes. So we have this. It's called Timeless MD, ladies and gentlemen. And I don't know if you guys are looking, saying, I think I kind of recognize her. Who is this? Dr. Tess has been on Oprah. She's been on Dr. Oz. She's been on The Doctors. So she's just really done absolutely every show you can imagine. And she's combined all of the information that she's learned about how you can get the most effective products. But also, I mean, we want products that work. Let's just, that's it. We just want products that work.
With good ingredients, huh?
With good ingredients.
Right.
And we'll pay thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to get products that work. I mean, I just want something that will make me look like you. So I want to know what it is exactly that you have offered us today. I see we have 4 different products, and I know we're going to sell some of these separately, but we'll also give you an opportunity to get them all together. I know after hearing about them, that's what you're going to want to do.
Well, after over 10 years of experience, patients always come to me asking me for my advice. What should I use, Dr. Tess, for my skin and all kinds of condition, whether it be preventing aging, whether it be treating discoloration, whether that be acne, whether it be dry skin. And so I said, well, I know of all these individual ingredients that are clinically proven, scientifically proven that works, but it will cost you a lot of money if you wanted a medical grade result. And so I said, why don't I put together a kit? And that's what we did with Timeless MD. And so, there's 4 products, but really it's very simple. On a day-to-day basis, you only use the first 3. You have a cleanser because you have to wash your face anyways. But this cleanser is special. It has glycolic acid and it has salicylic acid. So for those of you, especially, ladies who want like kind of smooth skin or have issue with, perimenopausal or postmenopausal breakouts, this is an amazing cleanser. But it also has green tea because we want to balance efficacy versus irritation.
Yes.
Because there are a lot of prescription strength and medical grade products out there that work, but then they cause dryness, irritation, redness, and people cannot tolerate.
You're talking about ladies. What about men?
Of course. We have about 30% of our practice are men, and they want simple things.
Yep.
Simple, and this is why I made it so it's only 3 steps. So Bob, wash your face, and then this is the lotion. The illuminating lotion is basically kind of an all-in-one. So it has your skin brighteners, all of the tyrosinase inhibitors, that's your hexylresorcinol, that's your alpha-arbutin, that's products that lighten and brighten the skin. It also has vitamin C, which we know induces collagen formation, so it helps your wrinkles, it helps keep our skin looking young and plump. And it also has retinol. We were talking about retinol.
It's my favorite.
I do believe in retinol. I do believe in the efficacy, but I say, not only are you getting the retinol, but you're getting the vitamin C, you're getting the green tea, you're getting the skin lightening agents, and so all in one, and you don't even have to take the time to apply layers and layers for men. That's important. They will not do that.
So I start off here?
You wash, and then you put the lotion.
So this is like a soap for me?
Yeah, so this is a gentle, this is a cleanser.
Yes.
So
Do I
you
use a wash rag or?
You can if you want. You can
water?
use it with, you know, some of the tools now that are used for cleansing.
Yeah.
And then the first thing that goes on your skin is this, because you have to think of this almost like as a medical treatment. It's really a medical treatment, and you're really just applying a very thin layer on your skin.
Just once a day now?
In the evening.
In the evening.
Usually.
I just want to tell the people at home right before we move on how they can get these two great products that we've just mentioned. We have this illuminating face cleanser. You guys probably already washed your face. As Bob said, you can use it with a rag, or you can just put a little dollop on your hand and just rinse it. And it's a great way for men or women to start any kind of facial regimen. This product is a really great price. It retails for $39.95, but we're selling it right now on ActiveLivingTV.com for just $29.95. And the product number for this is M1002. And if you get this product, I know you're going to want to also add the moisturizer. And I will say, I've already sampled this moisturizer. Guys, don't even think twice about this one. It is actual silk right now. That my skin feels like silk. This is her illuminating face lotion. And as she mentioned, it has the retinol in it, which is what I usually have to go down.
And vitamin C and skin lightening.
But what she mentioned that really blew my mind was she adds green tea to this. So sometimes what we know with our certain products that really work is they dry you out, or they give you some flakiness or some dry, irritated, itchy skin, especially as we get older and we lose our collagen and our elasticity. This has green tea extract. For the last 10 years, that's all the medical industry and the cosmetic industry has been talking about. Get the green tea extract on your face to cool it, to balance it. You put 2 in 1. That's brilliant.
That's actually more than 2 in 1. It's probably 10, 11, 12.
Yes.
So, you know, it used to take me 30 to 45 minutes to go to bed because I apply all of these individual ingredients on my skin.
Yes.
And now, again, you wash, you put the lotion, and, you know, Bob and I are trying the moisturizer because it's very important, because some of these really active ingredients, medical grade ingredients, can be potent, and it can cause dryness, especially in more mature skin, or if you're also using other products or you're getting treatment. So it's very important to moisturize, and this is a soybean extract moisture, and it also is very, very nice. It's not too thick, but it definitely is moisturizing, and it calms the skin at the same time.
Are there people that are allergic to products like this?
There's always a chance for allergy, but this has been clinically tested. The reason it took 2 years to bring it out to market is, one, I wanted to make sure that it works. So there are studies that show that it really works for pigmentation, for some of the fine lines, for brightening, for kind of just the overall youthfulness of the skin. And also we tested to make sure that people can tolerate it, because that's one thing that I didn't want my products to do, is that it can cause irritation.
Yes, perfect.
Okay, so this, I start here.
Yes, and then we move here.
Wash my face, then I move there. But this is after I shower and everything.
Well, you can actually bring this in your shower if you want to just save a step there. You can.
Okay.
And if you guys want to be able to purchase this face lotion, I think that this is just a must-have for men and women of all ages. The product number is M1003. It's our illuminating face lotion, and the price originally $99.95. People, I mean, I spend that money just for the one ingredient.
In Mexico.
Oh, and Bob and I were talking about spots, pigmented lesions. One of the big reasons why I created Timeless MD is to address that big problem. It's one of the #1 reasons patients come to see me. And the kit itself, if you use it along with the mask, we love it because it's also safe to use on a long-term basis.
So now I use these two, right? On my hands?
And this will, you know, if you use it and use the mask once or twice a week, and it's going to infuse glycolic acid, so it exfoliates the skin and allows all of those skin lightening agents to work.
How long do you leave the mask on?
You can do it for 1 to 2 minutes if you have sensitive skin, and then if you don't, then you can, sometimes some patients leave it on 5 minutes.
And then you wash it off with soap, is that?
Treatment. It has light exfoliating beads, so you can also use it as a scrub once a week.
Do you wash it off then?
Yes.
With soap?
Wash it. No, you don't need the soap. You just kind of just scrub it.
Just take warm water.
Right, exactly. I wish I could demo it.
Well, you know, I can tell you that both you and Bob, your wife, is going to want all of these. I'm going to take this one back though, just because.
Yes.
You could put the mask on me if you wanted to.
I used it this morning before, you know,
I'm talking right now.
You take the whole thing.
So you guys are definitely going to want this illuminating face lotion. It's a must-have for everyone. The price originally is $99.95. I'm telling you guys, I spend that much on just the one ingredient inside of it. But right now at ActiveLivingTV.com, this is on sale for just $89.95, which is an excellent steal. Definitely get this face lotion. This illuminating face cream. Now this is also for your face, but it's different than the lotion.
This moisturizer basically gives back the soothing, you know, and because we don't want any irritation from all of these active ingredients. So it's gonna soothe, and if you have drier, more sensitive skin, really, really, really essential.
Oh, great. So you can buy this separately.
Yes, you can use it once a day, you can buy it twice a day, and you can buy it separate. Some patients go through this faster than this, and you can buy them.
Okay, I'm really confused though. I know I'm going to wash my face with this, and then I
this is your treatment
this on,
lotion.
and then I put the moisturizer on after that, and then once or twice a week I use the mask.
You're not confused. You got it right, Bob.
You got it right.
Yeah, even a guy.
There's no end to my limitations. I just want you to know that.
See, you can do it. Bob got it, just like that.
It's actually, it's not very complicated. The illuminating face cream, if you do want to purchase this by itself, it retails at $89.95. We're selling it at ActiveLivingTV.com for just $75.95, and this product number is M1004. And I know, Bob, you were saying, what is the difference between the two? This one has more of the ingredients, and this one is more soothing. Of course, one is great, or the other. You could do, however, all of the products.
Yes, and that's, and it was designed to work as a kit. It's designed to work this way. But you know, if you are using a lot of different products, now you're confused, as most of my patients, you know, come into the clinic confused, and you have issues with discoloration. If you want to stop the aging process, you want your pores to look better, you want your makeup to go on better, you want just more clear, youthful skin, that's the reason I created Timeless MD.
Well,
and you can do it in 3 steps daily, and then once or twice a week, give yourself a spa-like treatment with the mask.
Once again, Active Living Television has done it, bringing you an expert with incredible products that will help you, your skin, and you've got to take advantage of it. So go on to ActiveLivingTV.com if you have any questions, want to order, or you can call the number on your screen. But take advantage of this. These are experts. These people really know what they're talking about, and they're here to help you. So is Active Living Television.
If any of you would like to purchase the full package, we do have that offer right now for one excellent deal. The product number is M1001. It's the Timeless MD entire kit. I really recommend this. As we've just been saying here, Dr. Tess really knows her stuff. You guys, she's world famous. She really is a celebrity.
This is my secret to looking great, right? And I'm sharing it with the world. And like I said, it took 2 years to do it because I wanted, you know, the product that's going to have my name. This is Timeless MD by Dr. Tess to really work, and it's going to deliver the results that you want.
And all of the instructions are on the back, by the way, if you get the...
Yes.
I love your packaging, by the way. I'm a sucker for aesthetics, but it's even better when it works. So the price for this right now, it retails at $299.95. We're selling all 4 of these products that individually could really cost up to this amount from any other kind of skincare specialist. Right now, all 4 together are $259.95. Wow. I recommend getting the full kit. You guys, your face is going to be so happy.
And it's a 60-day supply, actually.
Wow.
Oh, is it really? Let me ask you a question.
Supply.
With Active Living Television, let's say someone gets this and they use it for 60 days and they run out. All they have to do is call Active Living Television and they can reorder. So it's not just a one-time thing and you go, what do I do now? We are here to serve you. You can reorder after you've used the product, or we'll give you a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't like the product. So how can you go wrong? And welcome back to Active Living Television. Dr. Tess is with us today. She's a Stanford-trained dermatologist. She has products that are, well, they're just blowing me away. What do you got now, kiddo?
Well, this is Helio Plus. It's
Who?
Helio Plus. Yes, Helio Plus is oral supplement, so it come in, you know, tablets. When patients again come to see me and they're asking me, what else can I do besides sunscreen, besides hiding, looking for shade, to protect the skin and to keep it so that it's healthy and also reverse some of the potential damage. You know, there are known ingredients that we know help the skin, and so I said, well, I like all-in-one things, just like Timeless MD. So I said, why don't I formulate my own supplement that has everything that I want? I take it 2 to 3 pills a day, and I don't need to bother with anything else.
Now, this is for seniors, and well, it's for everybody, isn't it?
It's for everybody, but you know, for seniors, because a lot of seniors are on medications that can
Sure.
make them more sensitive to sun exposure.
Yes.
This is very, very important. Also, those who love the outdoors, and Bob, I know you love being out there. The golfers, people who are on yachts, on boats, yeah, and men especially, because they don't like to apply the sunscreen, or they're in the water and the sunscreen washes off. This is a perfect
Are you
product.
telling me this is in place of sunscreen?
Well, you know, a dermatologist will never tell you not to wear sunscreen, so I would always say use your sunscreen, but this is in addition.
No kidding.
Yeah, so I actually went on the Dr. Oz show to talk about the 2014 anti-aging supplements that are out there. And the 3 products that we talked about are Lipo Wheat, which is here, hydrolyzed collagen, which we know, helps the skin, and also polypodium leucotomus extract.
Wow, that last one was a
Right.
doozy. Okay, so
Remember
Lipo Wheat, collagen.
Collagen, and we call it PLE, polypodium leucotomus extract. And this is an antioxidant from herbs, and basically it acts as a super antioxidant, and it blocks and shields the skin from all the damage that.
How many times a day?
You just take it in the morning. You were just saying
Yes.
you're going to take it before you go outside. But in addition to those 3 that I discussed on Dr. Oz, we also have all your essential vitamins and nutrients as vitamins A, C, D, E. It has riboflavin. It has your calcium, zinc, selenium. It has the special nutrients. The other amazing antioxidants that our bodies make naturally is L-glutathione. It is a super antioxidant. Our bodies make it, but as we age, that level of L-glutathione goes down. And so I added L-glutathione in here as well. And then it also has, like I said, your hydrolyzed collagen, your Lipo Wheat, which is a natural moisturizer, and resveratrol. You guys have heard of resveratrol?
Yeah.
Gesundheit.
No, resveratrol, basically, it's from wine. This is one of the reasons why they say, wine can be anti-aging.
Sure.
Resveratrol is a potent antioxidant. It's also in Helio Plus. We have different herbs and phytonutrients. The polypodium leucotomus extract, or PLE, is an herb. And so that adds, again, as an antioxidant. You have your golden serpent fern, your Ganoderma, Lingji mushroom, green tea, red grapeseed extract, turmeric, aloe vera, and your carotenoids.
It's great, as you said, for someone who's aging, because there's so many different medications that you can take that make you more sensitive to sunlight. Honestly, most of the medications we take make us more sensitive to sunlight. So this is an excellent supplement just for that. I think this is brilliant.
Well, it's manufactured in the USA, and like I said, I tell my patients this is something that I use, because my patients always ask me, what would you use? I give it to my family, I give it to my patients. And
Can I use it?
yes, you just need water.
Do you chew it, or do you?
No, you swallow 2 to 3. Really?
No water? He's a gangster.
Well, wow. All right. He did it.
That's my man.
So you want to do that about 20 minutes before you go outside. And then you still want to use your sunscreen, you still want to take your hat, your sunglasses, but it definitely helps protect and also preserve the skin.
Great. Great, so this is Helio Plus. It's Dr. Tess's fantastic supplement that she's put together. And as she said, she did all the research, she did the hard work, she's thought through it. I can tell you, I do a lot of reading on anti-aging products, and they always say, here's that new thing you've never heard of. And I can name about 6 of them, and I can tell you, they're all in this. It's not like it's just the go-to vitamins. It's all of those secret anti-aging and skin-preserving products she's put into Helio Plus. And you guys, the deal is fantastic. You get 60 tablets in one of these boxes, and that can last you, of course, for a month, or maybe a little longer if you decide to take less, but it is about a month's supply, which is excellent, 60 tablets. The price is normally $69.95, and right now we are selling them for just $49.95. The product number on Active Living TV ALTV1022.com if you just want to toss that in and find the Helio Plus right away. The product number is M1005. Of course, Dr. Tess, as we mentioned, is a Stanford-trained dermatologist. She's been on every show you can imagine, and she said, you know what, enough of talking about all these things that work. I'm putting it together in one product for you, and that's where we got Helio Plus, so definitely get your own.
And what I'm amazed by, one serving has 200% of the vitamin A, 750% of vitamin C, 100% of vitamin D, 100% of vitamin E, 200 of riboflavin, 20% of calcium, and 100% of zinc. I mean, this is incredible.
That is actually very incredible.
Because, before Helio Plus, again, I so believe in these ingredients. I so believe in the science behind that. I used to take so many pills. And each of those cost, each of those individual ingredients cost. Both, your time of getting them, obtaining them, taking them. And so I said, well, make life simple. Life is like crazy enough. And so I said, let's put it all together. And after the Dr. Oz show, our clinic got so many phone calls asking me, Dr. Tess, what brand of polypodium do you recommend? What brand of lipo-wheat do you recommend? And so I said, hey, why not put it all together, and beyond the collagen, the lipo-wheat and polypodium, why don't we add the vitamins and nutrients, the herbs, and all of that.
It's in place of a daily vitamin. I mean, it's incredible.
I mean, the other thing is the vitamin D alone, because we are really recommending the patients to avoid sun exposure to protect the skin from skin cancer and also from aging. Many people are becoming vitamin D deficient. And so that's one of the things that's very important to me, to add vitamin D in there, so that even though you're protecting yourself from sun exposure, because the sun is the only way our skin can create vitamin D, but it's been shown in studies that you can supplement orally with a pill, and it's just as good. 3
of these a day, and you get all of your vitamin D. That's just amazing. Thank you, doctor, so very much. We'll be right back with more Active Living Television. Good products for you. And welcome to Active Living TV. If you're watching, you'll know that everything you see on Active Living TV is of great quality. And today, well, that's no exception. We have something really special for you. Mr. John O'Toole is with American Tubs, the #1 tub company in the entire country. And you're about to find out why they are the #1 tub company. John, tell us about this incredible product you have.
At American Tubs, we manufacture 15 different sizes of the most ergonomically high-quality walk-in tubs. With our walk-in tubs, we have 15 different sizes to fit any size bathrooms or customers that we might run into. This is our in-swing door, 54 by 30, okay? Comes with the water jets, comes with air jets, chromotherapy, aromatherapy. We custom make the tub to fit the customer's needs and budget.
Now, you talk about multi-therapies. Explain what the tub can do.
Well, water therapy is an isolated energy on certain parts of your body, whether it's your back or your legs. The air therapy is actually a massaging of the whole body. Okay. Now, when you're done taking a bath and you're done doing the water therapy and the air therapy, we can clean the tub internally. Okay.
So there's no bacteria or anything
There's no
left?
bacteria. There's no mold. The air jets are actually self-purging. They blow for about a minute, 20 minutes after you're done bathing. Blows for about a minute. And the water jets have what's called an ozone. We call it the ozonator, and that sterilizes all the pipes, prevents any mold or bacteria from growing.
Wow. So it's a self-cleaning tub, and you have,
like that.
I love that, and you have water pressure, you have air, different color lights, so you're kind of getting a full spa day right in your own home.
It's not a bath, it's not a tub.
Is it comfortable?
It's an experience. Very comfortable.
I want to try.
Are you going to give it a shot, Bob?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll take care of the shower head. This is my responsibility.
By the way, Bob, I can have somebody at your house later today.
Yes. Now, you're probably saying, well, look where his career's gone. Yeah. 40 years newlywed game, 38 years Rose Parade, and I'm ending up in a bathtub on television.
I want to be in a bathtub on television. This is amazing. So this is the temperature here. I see these different numbers.
Yes, this is our premium faucet. This is actually an anti-scald faucet.
Oh.
You can turn it up to 100.4 degrees. To turn any higher, you have to push the button and turn it. Just in case somebody a little bit elderly and they don't understand that the water's a little too hot right away. You're not. No, I don't think we're talking about.
I need this. so it's Natasha proof. It means you can turn it up to a really nice, spa temperature, 100. But if you want to turn it higher, you have to press the button. So you're telling yourself, I'm not going to make this too hot without my own permission.
Exactly.
I think that's the most brilliant thing about this.
And what's neat about it, every day you get in the tub, it's the same temperature. You don't have to mess around with the hot and cold.
I love this.
It's comfortable.
It is?
Yeah, it's comfortable. It really is. What other things does it have?
You know, Bob, when you sit in the tub, your natural buoyancy kind of helps you stretch your spine just a little bit.
Yeah.
And then you get hit with the water jets, and you feel that the seat in the back are a little bit warm.
Yeah.
That's our hot seat, okay?
Yeah.
Now what you can do is you can not preheat your oven, you can preheat your tub. You can turn the hot seat on 5 minutes before you get in your tub, sit in it, stay warm while the water's filling. We can't control the water filling. That depends on your water pressure in your home. We can't control how fast it drains. We have one of the fastest draining tubs in the country. We have what's called a hurry drain. Now the hurry drain is a patented exclusive product that we came up with that drains these tubs in as little as 90 seconds.
Wow.
Now most tubs take about 4 minutes to drain. Ours is 90 seconds. And you can't get out of our tub until that water's gone.
Got it. And it drains from multiple different areas.
Yes, yes.
Wow, that's so
Does
brilliant.
this one have the bidet?
You want to find out?
No.
Could I just sit in it just to have a hot seat if I just wanted to read a book and relax in
Absolutely.
a warm seat?
Sure.
Oh, I love this. This is neat.
And over here are the controls for all of the...
Yeah, this is actually our digital keypad, okay? And this has every control that you're gonna need on the tub. Actually has an FM stereo, so if you wanna sit and listen to your favorite music, you can listen to it, read a book, take a spa.
You have radio, temperature control, different kinds of lights, water massage, air massage. It self-cleans. This is making sure that I don't burn I can't believe how everything is so perfectly designed in this tub.
It comes in what, 15 different sizes?
15 different sizes.
It has a lifetime warranty.
Lifetime warranty.
It fits every need you could ever possibly have.
And yes, and I know that you mentioned that you'll actually come to the home to install these. People don't have to worry about where does it fit, how do I do this?
Well, that's why we have 15 different sizes, because of all the different applications. Every bathroom's a different size, hallways, doorways are different sizes. Our customers are different sizes. So a consultant would come to your home, and it's a free consultation.
Great.
They'll take some measurements of your bathroom, the door going into your bathroom, the hallway, the customer, find out exactly what size sub they need. Once they get to that point, then they'll figure out what accessories they need depending on their needs and their budget, and then we'll custom make the tub for them. They'll leave them a brochure. They can figure out what they want to do, and if they want to purchase the tub, we'll be more than happy to send it out to them.
Hey, I got to tell you, it's the luxury model of any walk-in tub that you'll ever find, and it's available on Active Living TV. You got questions, want to order one, you go to activelivingtv.com, or you can call the phone number on your screen. But this is something special. And if you need a walk-in tub, don't go anywhere else. This is the best, I promise you.